I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there,
I think by fighting a rider who already knows the Ducati motorcycle and is younger than him, it will make it a little complicated for Marquez. If he doesn't have bad luck, he just needs to see what Marquez has done, said Lorenzo. And here's the full story. Marquez's targets with Gresini Ducati in MotoGP 2024 have been revealed. Is the MotoGP superstar always aiming for victory in next season's races? Apparently, Marquez hinted at always finishing in the top 5 in every MotoGP race series in 2024. This is targeted by the baby alien, nicknamed Marquez, because he wants to feel the sensation of MotoGP world champion again. Marquez has the ambition to finish at the front in every race. This is targeted, even though he realizes that the struggle will not be easy. I want to smile again behind my helmet. It means being at the front. Winning is difficult, but it would be nice to be able to fight again to win and always be in the top 5, explained Marquez. As is known, the 2024 MotoGP race will be a new season for the man born in Cervera, Spain. This time he will pave with Gresini Ducati for the first time during his career in MotoGP. Previously, Marquez had always been loyal to Honda since 2013. This is also the first time Marquez has moved teams. His appearance with Gresini was the most anticipated moment for many fans. At the Valencia 2023 postseason MotoGP test, Marquez has already begun his threat. Marquez managed to finish 4th fastest with a time of 1 minute 29.424 seconds. These results are an early prediction of the baby alien's progress next season. However, Marquez still seems to need deeper exploration with Ducati, given the age of their togetherness is still very new. On the other hand, MotoGP legend Jorge Lorenzo believes Marquez will become the 2024 MotoGP World Champion with Gresini Ducati. Marquez will not get it easily, but if I have to bet, I will fight by holding Marquez. I hold Marquez to become world champion, Lorenzo was quoted as saying by the U.S. A number of parties believe Marquez will be a candidate for the 2024 MotoGP World Championship. The prediction arose after the former Repsol Honda racer achieved impressive results in tests at the Valencia circuit. Lorenzo is one of the figures who favors Marquez to become the 2024 MotoGP World Champion. Lorenzo believes Marquez's move to become the 2024 MotoGP World Champion will be difficult, but achievable. I think by fighting a rider who already knows the Ducati motorcycle and is younger than him, it will make it a little complicated for Marquez. If he doesn't have bad luck, he just needs to see what Marquez has done, said Lorenzo. Although Alex has grown rapidly in MotoGP, he is not yet close to the level of his brother. He doesn't have the magic like his brother. If Alex can achieve the results he has achieved this season, why can't Mark win a lot of MotoGP races? Lorenzo added. One of the 2024 MotoGP riders in the spotlight is Pedro Acosta. Lorenzo believes the rookie racer is one of the dark horses in MotoGP 2024. Acosta is different from Mark. Marquez is an aggressive and risk-taking figure. He wants to win under any circumstances and in any way. He is never satisfied, even if he feels uncomfortable on the bike, even if he doesn't like the circuit, said Lorenzo. On the other hand, Acosta is a rider who doesn't like to crash, more aware of the risks. He does things in a more controlled way. But so far, he has the same talent as Marquez. They are similar, but different, Lorenzo said. We'll see how they fare in the 2024 season.